your party. I go, Bobby. Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another vlog, and today I am working out at the gym. I wasn't sure if I was gonna record myself or not, and it was very noisy in the locker room, so I wasn't able to do an intro, but I'm just getting ready to work out. Today I only have about 1 hour to work out, so I'm gonna do some upper body workouts, some cardio, jumping jacks, and some walking on the incline. So stay tuned and let me know what y'all think about this workout.
You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no banta. Hey, hey, chepe, ninja tombong banta, yeah, maybe. You got time into, got time for me to, baby, nice walk, oh no. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your moms I'm your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lounge with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. With your friends now. Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl walk me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl walk me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love. Baby girl, I like it how you move, moving like the ocean, yeah. She deep like the ocean. She got waves in the hair just like the ocean, yeah, like the ocean. If it didn't know, swim my man some distance from the ocean. Wavy like the ocean, baby, yeah, you looking like the ocean. Deep in my pocket like the ocean. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lounge with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. Oh no no no. Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key.
complete, y'all. I did the best I could today with the hour time span. I don't think I was really in the mood to go to the gym, but you know how it is when you just gotta get up in there. Like, you gotta burn some calories for the day. That's me. I'm at least gonna go and do something. But next time I will be upping my weights because it's about that time. I kind of lost some of my strength because I ended up being inconsistent in going to the gym and doing some of the same exercises. So my weight has declined. But now we're about to hit the sauna. So I'll be back. Hey y'all, I just did the sauna. Only did about, not even a full 10 minutes. I wanted to, but I know I'm not supposed to deprive myself of stuff that I want. But I have work to do. It's Black Friday weekend, almost. So in my eyes, I don't have a choice. I choose success first. So. I choose success first, I think, as of right now.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic.